We live in a world where there is more and more information and less meaning. Jean Baudrillard. Good evening. Today, I want to discuss Jean Baudrillard's theory on simulacra and simulation. A simulacra is a copy that has no original relationship to reality, replacing reality with a simulation. And a simulation is the process of creating models that have become detached from original reality, creating a new hyperreal world of their own. Hyperreality is a state where the simulation is more real than reality itself. According to Baudrillard, there are 4 stages of simulacra that represent the evolution of image from a reflection of reality to pure simulacrum. The first order is an image that is a clear counterfeit of reality, like a fake painting or a poorly made map. Second order is when the image begins to mask or distort the real, but the distinction is still somewhat apparent, as with idealized paintings or political propaganda. Third order is when the representation precedes and determines the real, hiding the absence of true reality behind it. Examples including fashion brands, pre-torn jeans, or fake media landscapes. And the fourth and final order is when the simulacrum has no relation to reality at all. It is a pure simulacrum, a self-referencing system where signs only refer to other signs, and meaning is lost. One example Baudrillard uses is Disneyland. He argues it is presented as imaginary to make visitors believe that the world outside is real. However, he argues that Los Angeles and the rest of America are no longer real, but are also part of the hyperreal, built on simulations and signs. Another example he gives uses the allegory of the map from Jorge Luis Borges' fable, where a detailed map is created that perfectly covers the territory it represents. Over time, the territory decays, and the map becomes the only thing left. But it is now the map that creates the territory it once just described. For Baudrillard, this shows how simulation doesn't just represent reality, but ultimately proceeds and creates a new reality that has no original references. History that repeats itself turns to farce. Farce that repeats itself turns to history. Jean Baudrillard.